Good mornings to all of you. Today we are going to start a new chapter, the chapter 19 of a ninth class, that is a mean and median. So students, first of all, you know about a mean. Mean is what? Mean is a sum of data. Mean is what? Mean is a sum of data. So let summation of I varies 1 to n xi. Now what the mean of this summation? Mean of this summation means sum. Meanings to say different values of x, x1, x2, x3 up to so on xn. So what the mean of summation? Summation means sum of all terms, right? And 1 over mean, the formula of mean is 1 over n xi. Summation of I varies 1 to n xi, which is equals to x1, x2, x3 up to so on xn over n. Means number of observation, that is n, and some of these terms are, that is summation. Let us, I will give you some examples. Like there is a question number 1, find the mean of 43, 51, 50, 57 and 54, right? These are different values. So what is the formula of V mean? That is 1 over n summation of I varies 1 to n xi. Now what is xi? X1 is 43, x2 is 51, then 50, then 57 and 54. So what is there? 43 plus 51 plus 50 plus 57 plus 54. Now over number of observation. N is what? N is a number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many numbers are? 5, right? Now add these numbers and divide it by 5 and you get a mean, right? See another example. The mean of observation was 160, right? Now sometime the mean is given, sometime the observations are given. Now here mean is given, means 1 over n summation I varies 1 to n xi is given, that is 160. That is what? 160, right? It was detected that the value of 165 was wrongly copied as 125. Means we have to write there 165 and it will write the 125. So incorrect value. So find the correct mean. First of all, mean of 40 observations are given. 40 observation means n is 40. So I can write it as summation I varies 1 to n xi is equals to 160 multiplied by n. Now what is the value of n? N is a 40 multiplied 160, that is 0, 6400. So summation xi is what? That is a 6400. Now correct value of summation x. Correct value of summation xi, which is incorrect value, we subtract that, and which is a correct value, we add that value. So whole value is, sum of whole values 6400, and what we write incorrectly? 125, and correctly 165, right? Now after solving this, we get a 6440, right? Now we need to find the correct mean. We need to find the correct mean. So what is the correct mean? Summation xi over n, 6440 over 40. That is 161 is a correct mean, right? This is your answer. With this, your 19A solved. Now come on a 19B. How to find the second topic, how to solve a median. Right? See students, it's a very easy. Let us suppose that we have observations, right? Like this, 43, 51, 58, 2, 7, 10, right? I will give you an example. When you have to find the median, first of all, you have to arrange this data either in ascending order or in descending order. Now, in ascending order, 2, 7, 10, 43, 51 and 58. So, first step is arrange the data. Okay? Arrange the data. Now, after that, you have to find the number of n's. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, n is what? 6. Now, students, remember, if n is odd, let us suppose that n is odd. Okay, let us suppose that n is a 5. Okay, then formula of median is n by 2th plus 1th term. Means n by 2 means that is a 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, that is 5 plus 1 is 6 by 2, which is 3. Now third term is your median. Median is 10. Now this formula is applied when n is odd. Now when n is even, let us suppose that there is a 57 and n is even, that is 6. Then the formula of median is n by 2th term plus n by 2th plus 1th term over 2. Now what is the n? N is a 6. 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 1th term by 2. Students, 6 is what? N is 6 by 2. Now divide these terms, that is 3 plus, there is 3 plus 1 over 2. This is the terms, that is 3 plus 4th term over 2. Now what is the third term? 1, 2, 3. 10 is the third term. We have to put the terms. Third term, that is 10 and plus 43 by 2, that is 53 by 2. This is your median when n is odd. Now I will solve question. Suppose there are a data, find the median of 25, 16, 26, 32, 31, 28 and 35, right? First step is what? Arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. It is depend upon you. Okay? Now, first of all, first step is arrange the data. So, 16, then 25, 26, 28, 31, 32 and 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, see, n is what? 7. 7 is what? That is a odd number. That is a odd number. So, what is the formula? Median is equals to n plus 1 by 2th term. N is what? N is a 7 plus 1 by 2th term, which is 8 by 2, 4. Now, students, see what is the fourth term? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 28 is a median. What is a median? 28 is a median. Now see one question more. The following data has been arranged in ascending order. If their median, the data is given, it is already in ascending order. That is question number 2, 34, 37, 53, 55, x plus 2, 77, 83, 89 and 100, right? Now what is the median? Median given, median is 63, right? Now students, first of all, arrange the data. It is already given in an arranged form. Now after that, count what is the n. We have to find the n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what is n? N is 9. It is again odd. Now what is the formula of median? That is n plus 1 by 2th term, which is 9 plus 1 by 2th term, which is 10 by 2, which is 5th term, right? Now what is the 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4 and x is the 5th term. Now median is given. Median is what? Median is 63 and what is the 5th term? That is x. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 63. With this, your chapter is complete. Try to solve all the exercises. Thank you and have a nice day.